In this quick video, I will show you how to exchange Chainlink in Binance step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. Once you have logged in, go to trade here and click Binance Convert. And then choose your wallet. If you have your funds or your Link token in your spot wallet, you can choose this. But if you have your funds in funding wallet, click here and it will change into funding wallet. And then click here, choose what currency you want. For example, I want to use USDT. Click here and then type the amount of link you want to convert, but make sure it is 0.16 and above. For example, I will convert the maximum amount of link I have and then click preview conversion, click convert, and then go to your wallet, click fiat and spot, and now you can see that I have 5.67 USDT. And if you want to trade your Chainlink or your Link token, go to trade here and click spot. And then on the search bar here, type down Link and choose your pair. For example, I want to use Link USDT, and then scroll down here and now you can trade your Link. If you want to buy or sell your Link, you can type down your price here and then the amount of Link you want to buy or sell. And if you have any questions about how to exchange Link in Binance, leave a comment below.